Doing plank can help you to lose your belly fat and have a flat stomach. But is 1-minute plank good? Normally, most people can do plank for 30-40 seconds after doing planks for a few weeks. So, if you could hold a plank for 1 minute, then it's considered good, and you are better than most people. Is 1-minute plank good? Yes, doing a plank for 1 minute is considered good and can help you improve your core strength and improve your overall body fitness. Doing planks engages multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, internal and external obliques, transverse abdominis, lower back muscles, glutes, quads, shoulders, and arms. If you could do a forearm plank for 1 minute, then it's good and can help you build a flat stomach over time and strengthen your core muscles. Where a high plank or planking with straight arms is easier than a forearm plank, so if you could do a high plank for more than 1 minute, then it is considered good. However, a beginner might find 1-minute plank a little bit difficult to do. For a beginner, or someone doing planks only for 2-3 weeks, holding a plank for 30-40 seconds is recommended. A female beginner who doing planks for the very first time can get started doing planks for 10 seconds and gradually increase the duration. To get better results, you should hold a plank as per your fitness level. 5 benefits of doing 1-minute plank. Here are the benefits you can get if you can do planks for 1 minute. 1. Doing planks for 1 minute can help you improve your posture and help you improve your body balance. 2. Gradually, you will build a strong core when you do planks 5-6 times a week. 3. Doing planks helps you stretch your core muscles and thus can help you have better body flexibility. 4. Doing planks, especially if you do plank in the morning, then it can help you improve your metabolism. 5. Planking for 1 minute can help you strengthen your core and help you avoid workout injuries and prevent back pain if you do weight training or work out at the gym. What does 1-minute plank do to your body? Doing planks for 1 minute can help you improve your core strength, stability, and overall body fitness. If you could do 3-5 sets of 1-minute plank, then it can help you get a flat stomach. Following a healthy diet, doing planks and other bodyweight exercises over time can help you get in better shape and maintain healthy body weight. Here's a list of things 1-minute plank do to your body. It can improve core strength over time, builds your stamina and endurance, reduces the risk of lower back pain and is good for those who work long hours sitting at a desk, helps you improve your body posture, makes it easy for you to do your everyday movements from lifting objects to bending and twisting, improves the coordination between upper and lower body movements. Doing planks helps you improve stability around the shoulder joint. Doing planks for 1 minute can slightly improve your metabolism. Planking for 1 minute can help you improve your mental resilience and improve your self-confidence. How many sets of 1-minute planks should I do to build abs? Here's how many sets of 1-minute plank you should do to build abs. For beginners, 2-3 sets of plank with a duration of 30-40 seconds to build a flat stomach and abs. For the intermediate level, 3-4 sets of plank lasting for 1 minute to build abs. And for the advanced level, 3-5 sets of planking for 1-2 minutes to build abs. You should know that when it comes to building abs, you need to do multiple exercises that train your abs. So to build abs, you need to do planks, sit-ups, crunches, mountain climbers, and other exercises that focus on training your core muscles. Also, to make your abs visible, you need to lower your body fat percentage and have a healthy amount of fat in your body. How long to get results from doing planks? It can take 30-40 days to get some noticeable results from doing planks. If you want a flat stomach or want to build abs, then you should try to do multiple sets of plank and try to do plank for a longer period as per your stamina. Additionally, the foods you eat can have an indirect effect on the results you can expect from doing planks. After doing planks and other exercises for 4-6 days a week, you can see substantial improvement in your body shape after 8-12 weeks. Calories you will burn doing planks for 1 minute. Someone who has a body weight of 70 kg or 154 pounds can burn 4 calories if they do planks for 1 minute. As in a workout session, you will be doing on average 3 sets of planks, so it can burn 10-12 calories if you do 40-60 seconds of plank in each set. What happens if you do 1-minute plank every day for a month? Doing a 1-minute plank every day for 30 days can help you achieve these results. If you are doing 3-4 sets, 1-minute plank, then it's better to take some rest days. You can take one rest day after doing planks every day for 3 days in a row. 1. When you do the plank for 30 days, you will see a noticeable improvement in your core strength. 2. If you don't have a flat stomach, then doing a plank for 30 days will help you flatten your stomach, and over time you can get a flat tummy. 3. Planking every day for a month can help you reduce the chances of back pain and help stabilize the spine and provide support to the lower back. 4. Your body posture will improve a lot. 5. Doing planks every day for 4 weeks will help you make it a daily habit. 6. When you do 1-minute plank for 30 days, you might experience plateau in terms of strength and progress after a month. To avoid this, you need to add some plank variations and increase the duration period to make your plank workout challenging for the body. 7. Also, planking for a month will help you boost your mental resilience and build better self-discipline.